Assalamu alaikum students. This is the subject of Home Management Housing 1 BS2 semester 3rd. Today we are going to study family life cycle, its size and composition. Here it is written that each family passes through a cycle that begins with the marriage of two young persons and grows with the coming of children, and then again becomes a home of two persons or the one. And there is a diagram of family life cycle in which you can see very easily, you can see the stages of family life cycle. The first one is beginning of family, then family expansion, then contracting family, and then end of the family. The family beginning stage begins when a male and female got married, and when they started getting children, the family moves towards the expansion period. During the expansion period, the children got education and finally they got married. This expansion period or stage in the family life cycle is the biggest lifetime phase in which a lot of major things happened. When the children started getting married, the family contraction period started, and this period ends when one person, either the husband or the wife, among those one is dead and only one remains there. That is the end of our family life cycle. Thank you, students.